Hi, this is my submission for my video essay questions assignment. So here goes. My first question is to describe anatomical position. Anatomical position is standing upright, arms at your side, palms facing forward, and feet slightly apart. So imagine the human body erect, standing up straight, and if I turn the camera down a bit, you can see the arms are supposed to be at the side, palms facing forward like so. The feet are supposed to be like kind of slightly apart, kind of like this, with the arms the same way, just kind of standing at that angle. That's anatomical position. For the second one, we have to describe each plane. And a plane is an imaginary line that kind of divides the body or cuts the body into different pieces. For the first one, we have sagittal, and that's going to be right and left halves. So any cut or imaginary line or slice in the body that cuts the body into a right half and a left half, that's going to be sagittal. And whenever you have an exactly equal middle part or two middle cuts, an exactly equal one, that's called mid-sagittal. For the second one, we have frontal, and that's going to be front and back halves. So imagine if I'm sitting at my side and there's a cut that divides my body into the first half and the second half, front and back, or posterior and anterior. For the third one, we have transverse, and that's going to be top and bottom halves. So imagine that there was a plane or there was a line that cut my body into a top half and a bottom half, or in other words, a horizontal slice going this way. Um, and for the fourth one, it told me to use, for the third one, it told me to use a piece of paper to explain how the planes divide the body, but I feel like I just did that with my hands, so I'm not going to do that today. For the fourth one, we have to define or describe homeostasis. Homeostasis is like a self-regulating process. Um, it's how biological systems maintain equilibrium or kind of like a balance to maintain life functions against external conditions. So anything that goes on the outside, your body works to keep the same exact balanced environment on the inside. For the fifth one, we were supposed to find two different systems or two different organ systems that both, and then find out, and then explain which way each organ system maintains homeostasis. And for the ones that I picked the nervous system. And the way the nervous system kind of maintains homeostasis is to regulate body temperature. So, you have nerves everywhere, and that's part of the nervous system. You have the central nervous system and you have the peripheral nervous system. So in the nervous system, whenever you get hot, the nerves on your skin sense that. They sense that temperature is rising. So they send signals to your brain, and then your brain tells your body to sweat. It tells the sweat glands to release sweat, and it comes out of your pores, which in turn helps regulate temperature and to cool you off. For the second organ system, I picked the endocrine system, and a way that the endocrine system maintains homeostasis is to kind of regulate blood glucose or blood sugar levels. So let's say that the body has more sugar inside of your bloodstream that it's comfortable with. Your endocrine system will tell it'll tell the glands in your body to, or the pancreas, it'll tell the pancreas to release insulin, which in turn helps eliminate those sugar levels and bring them back down to a safe level. Same thing if your blood sugar gets too low, then you eat sugar and, it kind of balances it out. So that is my video essay questions. That was all 5, and yeah, thank you for watching.